What if history could be told through diverse perspectives? What if Eurocentrism was just one lens among many? Today, we explore how historians can move beyond Eurocentrism. Eurocentrism frames Europe as the central narrative of history. It's time to shift our focus. Let's delve into strategies that historians can embrace for a more inclusive history. First, we can provincialize Europe. This means treating Europe as a region, not a universal norm. Historians like Dipesh Chakrabarty advocate for this approach. It helps us see other regions' histories as equally important. Next, let's talk about multi-centered narratives. Instead of one story, we can tell multiple stories. This involves giving voice to every region. By doing this, we acknowledge diverse experiences in our histories. Then, we have connective histories. Historians will explore connections and exchanges between regions. This challenges the notion that civilizations are separate and self-contained. It highlights shared developments across cultures. Critical reflexivity is another key concept. Historians need self-awareness about their biases. We all bring assumptions to our work. Recognizing this is vital for fair representation in history. Finally, we must include diverse source bases. Expanding our sources is essential. We should incorporate voices from non-European traditions and marginalized perspectives. This enriches our understanding of history. However, moving beyond Eurocentrism faces challenges. Language barriers limit access to alternative scholarship. Most works are published in European languages, excluding many voices. Institutional inequalities exacerbate these challenges. Research institutions in the global north have greater resources. Historians in the global south often struggle for funding and support. Canonical biases also play a role. The historical canon prioritizes European and North American works. This reinforces a narrow view of global history. Lastly, epistemic hierarchies treat European knowledge as universal. Non-European traditions often appear exotic or particular. This bias distorts our understanding of shared histories. Overcoming these hurdles requires effort from historians and institutions. A commitment to deconstructing Eurocentric narratives is crucial. It's a significant change that demands constant work. Let's compare Eurocentric and global approaches. Eurocentrism sees Europe as the center. In contrast, a global approach features multiple centers. There is no single narrative in global history. When we think of narrative, Eurocentrism is linear and progressive. Global approaches offer multilinear, open-ended stories. They allow for a richer tapestry of events. In terms of comparison, Eurocentrism assumes Europe is the norm. Global comparisons focus on each region's agency and context without hierarchy. As for connections, Eurocentrism views links as one-way. Global narratives emphasize reciprocal, multidirectional connections. Periodization is another issue. Eurocentric history is defined by European events. Global history considers broad transformations across all regions. Lastly, Eurocentric sources focus on written European material. Global sources include oral, visual, and material traditions from diverse cultures. As we move beyond Eurocentrism, our course embraces a global perspective. We will study histories from Africa, Asia, the Americas, and the Pacific alongside Europe. Each area will receive serious attention. Secondly, we'll focus on connections among regions. Trade networks, migration, and cultural exchanges form a historical web. Understanding this web reveals long-standing global interconnections. Next, we challenge traditional periodization. We'll explore alternative approaches that are globally inclusive. This helps us frame history in a more equitable manner. Also, we will include diverse voices in our readings. By doing so, we reflect the perspectives of marginalized communities. Finally, we develop critical awareness. Students will learn to critique Eurocentric narratives. Recognizing these biases empowers a richer understanding of history. In summary, moving beyond Eurocentrism is essential for inclusive historical narratives. We embrace a global perspective, focus on connections, and involve diverse voices. Are you ready to rethink history? Join us in this journey toward a more inclusive understanding of our past. Subscribe for more insights, and let's reshape history together.